Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how you can skip the production steps or production stages and create the finished good directly. Here, automatically the inventory of your raw materials will be reduced and the inventory of your finished good will be increased. Let's check it out. Let's go to the productions module. Now, you have to click on create process. You have to select the finished good you want to create. For example, I want to produce motor pump. Here, the bill of material or BOM is automatically selected as there is only one BOM for this particular item. It shows you the current stock. You can add the quantity you want to generate. You can add the reference number like order confirmation. Now, it asks you to select the stage. Now select the stage as marked complete to directly convert your raw materials into finished good and update your inventory accordingly. After doing that, click on submit. As you can see, the process is created and completed all together. Now here the finished good is motor pump. Take a look at the raw materials and the quantities. Now, let's check the inventory status in the inventory module. Go to the inventory module. Now here you can see the quantities of the raw materials have been reduced and the quantity of the finished good is increased. This is how you can generate the finished good directly. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.